Want to know how to do that shuffle? Watch this video. So in this video, we're going to learn how to do a bridge shuffle. It's actually a lot easier than it looks. We're going to split them half and half. I put three fingers on the edge and the thumb on here. Three fingers, and my thumb on the edge. Nothing's holding these two cards. I'm placing my fingers on the ground to give me sort of a brace. And I'm making sure that I don't have these too close so they're not on top of each other and not too far away so they miss each other. You want a good interlace, but not too much. And that's a little bit of practice. So we take, and we try to get it straight on. You don't want to necessarily do it sideways. Let's do it straight on. And then without moving these fingers, we pull it up, make an edge, and then just slowly push it down. Let's watch that again. They come down like that. I put my fingers on it. I still keep my fingers on the edges, lift it up, and let them come down. It's going to take practice. My suggestion is get a deck of cards, try it 50 times. You want to really sort of make sure that they're coming down like that. Perfect. And let's watch that again. It's important you have a good distance and you connect. And that's how you do it.